Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing the long awaited, highly requested half up half down tutorial. Girl, I was pissed the whole time. Can't even front with you. I was pissed. This hairstyle is upsetting. And then also there's a lot going on in the world like right now in general. We don't gotta talk about that too much, but y'all should know what's going on. So that was that, and then this pissed me off too. But now that I look cute, I'm kind of calming down. So hope you guys enjoy the tutorial anyway, even though I was kind of annoyed. But let's keep on watching. Okay, today's hair is from AliPearl. It is a 13 by 4, 26, 24-ish. All the information on this hair will be in the description box. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck it, and I have a new plucking technique that this is on, like I tried it out on here, so glad to see what it is. I'm gonna talk about it more as I install. We can just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my even tinted lace spray on the lace and we can get into it. The technique I did differently this time was I plucked it while dry instead of wet. I've always plucked my wigs while wet, so it's the first time I did it while dry and I actually do see a difference. So let me throw her on. So I'm gonna look a little crazy right now, but don't worry. Now that I know where I want my wig to go, I got it laid out, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair into 3 sections. A top and the sides, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flip this part backwards and we can get to installing. I guess I'll flip all of it backwards, but I will be applying it like one by one. Now that we're all back, I'm gonna use my Erica J glue again. I need to see if she's restocked so I can get a bigger size, because this small is a small. I have small hands and it's smaller than my palm, but maybe I should grab my bowl. I don't feel like getting that. Just know it's a small little bottle. But it's only $12, so like whatever. And I'm sure it's going to last you a few installs. But if you're just looking to try it out, I'd say get the small. Now I'm going to go ahead and just start putting my glue. I'm only going to do 1 layer of glue because I really don't plan on wearing this wig for a very long time. And then I'm just going to use my fan to just go ahead and try to dry it down, because I feel like a blow dry would be too aggressive. So now I'm going to go ahead and place it down, and I'm going to use a rat tail comb to just make sure that everything is just in the glue. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat that process on the other sides, and I'll come back when it's time to cut my ear tabs. So I'm gonna take this matte raggedy elastic band and I'm gonna just tie it around just so I can make sure everything is flat. And I'm not gonna leave this on very long, just about like a couple minutes or so. So now it's been a couple minutes and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. And I see that I'm pretty on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my ear tabs. And by doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and feel where my ear is at. Now it's time to razor off the excess lace, and y'all know how I do this. I just go ahead and use the up or down method. Just make sure that it's kind of raggedy so you can't see. Looking good so far. Now I'm going to add a little more glue to my ear tab area. Well, this side seems fine. And then I'll go ahead and put that elastic band on one more again before we get started with the baby hair. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off now. Okay, so something that I learned in the process of doing this is that it's much easier to do your baby hair before you do the ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hair, and I'll just let that play through. I'm going to do them like how I've been doing my baby hair recently. Right now, I'm going to use my wet line and my little edge brush, and let's do these edges. So now that my baby hair is done, I can go ahead and use a silk scarf, and that's going to tie down my edges and like my hairline. I'm trying to tie this really tight because I just want to make sure everything stays in place. Okay, after struggling with my nails are like trying to come up and it's so fucking irritating. Now it's time to do this half up, half down. You can grab as much hair as you want, and I already have my sideburns pulled out as well. I didn't like do them, but they're out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure I leave that part down. Like I'm specifically leaving this like a little part right here because girl, you pull this too tight and then your wigs are coming up. It's not cute. You're not gonna have a good time. So it's just easier if you just leave down a little section right here to make sure, like an anchor. It's like an anchor, but it's not really holding nothing down. I don't know how to describe it, but I just think it's best if you do this. I'm gonna put this in a quick like 2-step little ponytail real quick, and then I have another hair tie for the back to just make sure everything is separate, and so that when I'm trying to get my hair into this ponytail, no other hair interferes. Alright, so I moved you guys up a little bit so you can see better, and this is kind of uneven, but at this point I'm just over it. I just want to give you this story, so I'm not gonna redo this. This better happen right the first time. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of this wet line and just put it along the hairline. And our goal is to get this as flat as possible. I hate when wig like half up, half downs like look wiggy, like they look kind of bulky. So my goal is to make sure that this like lays as flat as it can. And that's why I'm going to use a comb instead of like a brush to just make sure everything is nice and flat. And so now that that's nice and combed through, I'm also going to take my dirty old brush and make sure everything is flat. It's time to go ahead and just secure this with a ponytail holder. I'm gonna use just any old regular one. Oh, I can't use that one, that's too dirty. Hopefully this don't pop on me, because please don't pop on me. Please don't pop on me. Don't you hate when you mad and you try to put your hair in a ponytail and then your shit pop? It's like, God, do you want me to jump off the roof now or later? I can't talk during this. I really want this to be tight. I'm not gonna talk during this because I just feel like I need to focus on trying to get this as tight as possible the first time around. I would hate to have to undo this and shit, because it does get kind of frustrating. But the look is worth it because it's cute. I have to do it again. I'm not gonna complain. I'll just do it again. And I'm gonna tell y'all how many times I do it too, just so y'all fucking know. Cause like, it's a cute style. She's cute, but I don't ever want to do this all the time. This shit is so frustrating to do. So my hypothesis is that it's too textured, and that's why I'm having a hard time. So I'm finna wet it up a little bit, and hopefully this can give me some slip so that when I'm trying to do the shit, it go through. I'm done. I'm done. Now I got this fuck ass ponytail in after 5 fucking tries, and this is what I'm settling with. It's not perfect, but it's gonna have to do because I'm done trying. So now I'm gonna add some gel to my edge brush and just make sure everything is nice and slick, because I am finna put another scarf on top of this area so that it can help press it down. Because I realized the first time I did this, that really helped a lot. So here's this scarf to go over this area. Please get out my face. Thank you. So now this ponytail is gonna get like molded underneath that. I'll take this scarf off. See this shit? Y'all think this is a game? Y'all think this is cute? I think I'm having fun? It's not cute. I'm not having fun. This hairstyle, I literally never want to do it again. So now, I guess in the meantime, I'm gonna try to fix my edges up as much as I can, because again, they are stuck into the ponytails. I'm gonna try to like make sure this is kind of together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this ponytail around, hoping that everything looks right, because I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing this shit again. Do y'all thought y'all wanted to do this hairstyle? It pisses you off. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I just can't do it. But I watched Arnell Armand's video of her doing this half up, half down, or one of them, and she was pissed off too. The hairstyle is anger inducing. Y'all will ask for this. This is what y'all wanted. This is what y'all wanted to see. And it moved again. Please. I don't want to do it again. I feel like I have to do it again. Even though I don't fucking want to. Here we are doing it a 6th time. And see, I like to use gel for this because I just feel like instead of the wet line, it does something. I'm not sure what it does. I don't feel like explaining because I'm pissed, but it does something. And so I'm just gonna keep combing that out, make sure everything is nice and like flat like this. And then keep wrapping it around your ponytail. And then when I'm done, I start wrapping around gel on it, and I lost the pieces. And like I said, I'm not doing it again. So we're just gonna keep wrapping it around and hope it come out right, because I'm not doing it again. And if this video's a fail, then it's a fail, but I'm not doing it no more. If I take off the scarf and it just don't look good, I'm gonna cut off the video, and that's that. Will there be an outro? I don't know. It's already crooked. My baby hairs are just gonna be fucked up, and that just is what it is at this point. Oh, it wasn't that bad actually. Let's stop being so mad. It was that bad. Okay, so this is done. I'm never doing this again. I'm finna take out my hair. I'm finna put on my lashes, put on my lips, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. But bitch, y'all ain't never getting another like no. No. I almost flipped this whole shit over. I was that mad. But I'm glad it came out okay. But it wasn't looking that good at first. I'll tell you that. Okay, so I just finished up. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I finished up. I did it. Y'all wanted it. Here it is. It gave me an attitude. I'm not doing my attitude yet, so. Alright, so here's the tutorial that y'all have been begging for. The one that's gonna piss y'all off when y'all attempt it too. I'm putting it on y'all. Y'all finna get mad too when y'all do it. Y'all can't just look at me and be like, oh no, she's not tripping like this. Yes, I am, and so will you. But it's cute though, so I don't know, do what you gotta do. So here's the final look. This hair again is from AliPearl. I'll have all the links to it in the description box. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.